Hey, this week I figured I'd go through the tools on my tool cart. You guys see me pushing this cart around, working on the Falcon, and I thought maybe you'd be interested in what tools I'm actually using. Not sponsored or anything by anybody. This is just my honest opinion and the tools that I use every day. So first up on the cart, I got some Milwaukee tools. I like their hole saw bits. With the metal, I use oil on the drill press and stuff, but they've held up pretty good. I've replaced a couple of them, but overall this set has been awesome. I use this grinder. I put a cutoff wheel on it. This thing's a beast. I run the 8.0 battery on it. I got this M12 drill. This was actually, it's got a bunch of different attachments for it. I like that it's small. I normally just put a step bit on it. I can get into hard to reach areas. And then, this is my hammer drill that right now I just got this wire wheel on it, but I use this thing for everything too. Next up is AirCat. This is my favorite pneumatic tool company. They're quieter than other air tools. They're real nice. I like these things a lot. They hold up like really good. I don't know where my grinder's at. This is one of my favorite. My grinder. I use the cutoff wheels all the time. Air saw. I put a nice blade on it, but these things have lasted. The paint's already coming out. I've had this thing for a long time. Same with this grinder. This one I just got. It's brand new. But these cutoff wheels. I got other AirCat tools too, but these are the main ones that I'm always using. Next, I got some Dewalt stuff. They're normal drill bits. I have a drill doctor, so I always sharpen up the bits, but these things last a long time too. This is I don't even know if you can get, I think they have like a plastic case now, but this is the metal case. But these have held up a real long time. When they get dull, I just flip them over and then I'll run them in the drill doctor and sharpen them back up. And then the Dewalt clamps. I like these clamps a lot. 2 different sizes. Always using these to clamp stuff up. Next up, my belt sander. It's by Astro, Onyx by Astro, 3037, half inch by 18 inch belt sander. Yeah, you loosen up this Allen key right here, and then you can actually tilt this, but I always just keep it straight. AirCat actually makes a belt sander that I want to get eventually. 3M makes one too, but I like this thing by Astro. I've had this for a long time. It's nice because like when you're replacing panels and stuff, you can grind down the spot welds, and then I got this air hammer. This is by Cornwell Tools, but you can grind down the spot welds and then you can get the panel to separate pretty simple. And then got to have the vice grips, multiple sizes. A lot of times I'm just using these smaller ones. I got the bigger one too. And then I like vice grip. I use vice grip for everything. Irwin vice grip. My pliers, cutters. They make a good tool. This is my hammer, my body hammer by Martin. And then I got some dollies. These actually I have no idea who makes them. These were a gift. I've had these things for a long time. They're just regular dollies. So, but yeah, this hammer, this actually I don't have that much use on it. I have another hammer, Cornwell. It looks just like this, but this is blue, and I would say they're probably the same exact hammer, but I've had that thing for a long time. This one's newer. I just use this one at home. My other one I actually use every day at my other job. So, yeah. Well, thanks for tuning in. This is what's on my tool cart. Thank you for following along on the build. Please like, subscribe, comment, share the videos. Thank you for putting up with me. I'm new to YouTube, and I'm still getting used to doing all this stuff. So thanks again.